Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of this stunning 2019 Audi A3 S Line. This car comes with the 1.5 petrol turbo engine and the manual gearbox, which is Euro 6 compliant, producing 148 brake horsepower, an insurance grip of 26, and it is a one-owner vehicle with full service history and has covered just over 48,000 miles. This particular colour is a metallic Floret Silver and looks in really good condition for age and mileage of the car. As we have inside, you've got the typical Audi build quality, so everything feels nice and solid. You have the S Line sport seats there, which are really supportive with the half leather on the bolsters there. A armrest for the driver. Onto the dashboard, you've got a display that pops out the dashboard for your DAB radio and Bluetooth. And this car also has heated front seats, as well as climate control and automatic headlights and wipers, just to mention a few features there. As we open the rear doors, you have good access there into the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and the rear passengers have a 12-volt socket and 2 individual air vents there. I see the car's still got the original Audi carpet floor mats as well, so that's nice to see. Being the saloon, you have a massive boot, so it goes back quite a way there. You also have split folding rear seats, and you also have some extra storage underneath the floor there as well, so nice and practical. Externally, the car comes with LED headlights, the 18-inch alloy wheels, and also rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we offer finance from just 10.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.